Hello everyone, it's Marcy, and I'm still working on my marathon of journals. Today I'm working on Dear Julie Julie's October 2020 One More Time Junk Journal Challenge, letter A. Any paper collection, paper pad, digital, or group of papers. And for my tags, I'm going to use these autumn mason jars from Calico Collage. And this is going to be another really quick video. I've got some raffia ribbon here. And, I need to get I'm actually using my hot glue gun, which is surprising because I don't use it much in my paper crafting. Okay. So I'm just going to tie some of this raffia ribbon around the neck of the mason jar and let that hang down. And I will cut away my excess. And once my glue gun heats up, I'm going to get that not centered a little more, I will add just a little dollop of hot glue to hold that knot in place. Okay, but while I'm waiting on that to heat up, I've got some black and white gingham ribbon, and I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac. And just pop that down toward the bottom of the jar. Like so. Got a little too much. Okay. And then I've got this dictionary definition of cinnamon. And I'm just going to put that right on the ribbon. Let the ribbon kind of frame that. Okay, I'm sorry about that. My hot glue gun is now heated up. So I'm just going to take and put a little dab of hot glue on the back of that raffia ribbon. Just hold it down. Press that for a second. And then I've got this button that I went ahead and ran some thread through the buttonholes, and I am going to turn it, glue that onto the knot. Hold that for a second. And there we have a very simple but cute mason jar tag. And I won't show you all of them, but there are 6 different tag bases. If I can find them. Love this one. Little toadstools with the fairy. And did I only use 5 of them? I didn't even realize that, but I guess, no. No, here's the other one. There we go. So there's 6 of the now 16 mason jar tags that I've made. So that, I know that's a short one, guys. I'm trying really hard to get these done so I can get these journals put together before I start having a panic attack about whether I'm actually going to get them done or not. So until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, and happy crafting, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.